I'm Dr. Christine Ostermeyer, and I am a veterinarian at Noah's Westside Animal Hospital. I enjoy just dealing with clients and the pets themselves and just making a difference in their lives. At Noah's Westside Animal Hospital, we are a full-service animal hospital, medicine, surgery. We see small animals. We see dogs and cats mostly. I also do see pocket pets, rabbits, ferrets, love the little ferrets. And so we're a caring family there. You come into the clinic, you'll meet our wonderful receptionist staff and then meet our wonderful technician staff and then meet the doctors, and if you stay and board at our facility, you'll meet our kennel staff, and we'll all care very deeply for your pet. I'm Dr. Christine Ostermeyer from Noah's Westside Animal Hospital, and I'm looking forward to meeting you.